Here's how we can silence notifications on iPad messages. So let me guide you through it. And if this is your first time seeing a Foxtecc video, make sure you subscribe because I try to help you out with basically every way I can about your iPhones, iPads. So let's get started. And essentially you open up the settings, and in order to manage notifications for the messages specifically, you can open up the messages section within the apps right here. So you can go through the apps and go to messages, and in there you can manage, as I said, notifications in a general. You decide if you allow them or not, but there is obviously the sounds and other things which you might be interested in. So for example, you can choose a sound to be none, right, which is kind of interesting because you can choose the sound to be nothing. So even if your iPad is like in the loud mode, you're still not going to hear anything. You'll just see the notification being delivered but no sound being there. But if you mean silence in a way that you don't get any notifications, then of course you can turn off all of these things, either all of them, all of the notifications, or just different places like the banners or lock screen or whatever else you prefer. On the other hand, you should also note that we can as well forward text messages from the iPhone to iPad or even Mac computer, and you have to kind of set it up on the actual iPhone, which uses that SIM card. But as well, similarly, you just go to settings, apps, and messages right here, and you have the section called text messages, text message forwarding, right? And you can decide if you keep it turned on or off for your iPad right here. So that might also silence some other notifications which are forwarded from the phone. So that is the thing which I wanted to show and explain in this video. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.